Hello, Sunshine Studios here, doing a tutorial for Paint Couture with their Peacock and Opulence colors, which I am clearly obsessed with. They blend so beautifully together, so I'm going to show you how to blend. I started by adding 2 coats of Paint Couture's Shore Prep Bonding Primer because the varnish on the jewelry box was very shiny and glossy, and it definitely needed extra bonding. So here you'll see with my second coat that the color really starts to come alive. It always looks a little funky on the first coat, but really the second and then third coat, it just really becomes saturated and vibrant. So the top is Peacock, the bottom is Opulence, and I'm kind of blending in the middle. For the third coat, I get out my spray mister, but for the second coat, I don't really worry about that. I just blend as best as I can with the brush, but you'll see it's not like seamless yet. Really, the third coat is where it gradiates in a seamless way. Here you'll see that I take a clean brush in just a second and I blend. So I have 3 brushes. I have 1 brush for one color, 1 brush for another, and then I have a clean blending brush. Third coat is where the spray bottle comes in. It's hard to see, but I did just spray some water, and now it will blend the 2 colors very easily, and it really does make it look very seamless. So you can kind of sweep and go back and forth, but then sometimes I like to almost blot the 2 colors together rather than like a sweeping motion. And I just find that it makes all the kind of imperfections go away, and visually it just looks so seamless by the time you're done. I ended up not using the mister much for the front. It didn't need it. I kind of blotted Peacock on the top few drawers, and then when I wanted to add Opulence, I just added a little bit to the brush and literally just blended it in, going back and forth, adding a little bit more and more Opulence as I went to, again, gradiate into the bottom. I decided to add some transfers in there to just make the sides really fun. I knew I was going to add tons of gold to the front, so I wanted to add a little bit of glam to the sides. Using my finger, I applied Redesign's Eternal Gold Decor Wax to the frame of each drawer. I then applied more decor wax to each piece of hardware to just give it the ultimate bling.